Hey traders, welcome to the day trading recap for the day trade ideas. Today is May 30th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. So equity was, nice hit rate today. The options a little bit choppier. We're really small size for the most part the entire day. A little bit harder to get things going because the range was so tight on the market. But with that being said, let's take a look at what we did. AVGO, we had a long out the gate for 70 points on that to the upside. Then we ended up grabbing puts up here, the 700s, which ended up working nicely, 84% on those. Netflix long, 3 points on that idea out the gate. Tesla long, 3 points on that one out the gate on that idea. SDA long out the gate for 1 point and change. CRM long for 2 points intraday there. Adobe long for 2 points intraday. And then we also had a couple at the end of the day there on the equity side. Let me just kind of go through them, guys. We had RH for about 60 cents. What else? mRNA for 1 point. That was not a bad trade idea. Adobe, we talked about that. Crocs long. That ended up being an okay trade for about 1 point change on that one into the end of the day. What else did we do? We tried some IONQ. That one ended up not working for us, unfortunately. So there's one that didn't really work. SMCI short. That was another one that did not work. We did some ANET long that worked okay. And I believe that's it. Oh, EMPH long for 1 point on that idea. So not bad on the equity side. Option side, SPX, we did have a couple different trades on here. We had a spread 4205, 4210, 3200%. SPX 4205 is 84%. SPX 4195 puts, 39% on those. We had a couple other call plays for like 20%, 30% here. We had a couple trades that did not work on the SPX side as well. And to the end of the day, we tried a 4115 lotto idea, which failed. But other than that, it was a pretty decent day on the SPX. We didn't do too much. Option side, a little bit of different story, a little bit choppier. Best trade of the day idea was the UPST 30 calls for 200%. Snow 160 calls out the gate 167%. We talked about the AVGO for 84%. We had a couple smaller plays like HPT for 25%. We're swinging a bunch of stuff as well. Shop was a good 38% trade idea. PayPal ended up going around 18% to the end of the day, ended up holding that one overnight on that idea. LMND, same thing, went up about 15%, holding that one overnight on that idea as well. PLTR didn't work, but we are holding it overnight because it stayed at the top end of the range. So basically kind of just stayed around the same area. Netflix 420 roll idea, that one didn't work, but it was a roll. We tried these dashes, 68 calls off the lows. Those ended up failing. And other than that, we didn't do too much more on the option side. Like I said, a couple things overnight, but that's pretty much it. Looking at the market, guys, and understanding what we got today was we were extended to the upside after the huge runs in tech last week. We held the extension pretty well, back below that weekly range breakout area, so that's not great, but we could easily get back above it tomorrow, in my opinion. We'll have to see how the semiconductors act. AVGO earnings are on Thursday. I want to see if it holds up or not. It may come in. And we'll kind of go from there. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. You guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. We still do have our Memorial Day specials on for the week. So if you want to take advantage of some big savings on the longer dated stuff, it is very significant for that. And other than that, guys, that's it. Have a great rest of your day. Any questions, feel free to reach out, SpartanTrading.com. You can hit me up at Spartan Trading on Twitter. And that's about it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Enjoy.